Okay, that case number is going to be 9191-21.
Yeah, it's good.
It's for deviant assault, and it is going to be good, no bond. They're going to go ahead and send that paperwork down to the pipe.
You have to see a judge for them to set bond in domestic violence cases. So...
The following video is going to be another smooth arrest by a Columbus police officer. In the wee, small, dark, cold hours of late November in Columbus, Ohio, a patrol officer ran the license plate of a vehicle he saw parked at a local gas station. Upon running the tag, he was alerted that the driver had a warrant for domestic violence. The quick-thinking patrol officer spotted the driver at the window of the gas station purchasing gas. The officer approached the man, informed him of the warrant, and placed him under arrest without incident. And the rest, they say, is history.
One nine one.
191.
Sunoco at Rod and Harris. Got possible 50 for DV. Gonna be John Henry Boy, 1857.
Let me get 15 on 3.
Hey, what's your name, bud?
Sean, wait, we see my ID?
Yeah. Is the car yours?
Yes, it is.
It's registered to you?
Yes, it is, sir. It's...
All right, here, step down here, man. You got a warrant for your arrest.
192 or 194.
All right, yeah. Put your palms together. Drop that stuff. Drop it. I'll get it. Palms together. Interlace your fingers. Look, I'll verify it in a minute. But for right now,
I don't know where I have a warrant for my arrest.
fair enough, man. One 911 detained. We'll get those in 1 second. Walk over here.
Can you tell me what I got a warrant for?
Right now it's showing, it's attached to the tag, saying the registered owner has a, calm down for a second here, face this way. You got anything on you that's going to stick me and poke me? All right. Says they got a warrant for domestic violence, all right?
Domestic violence?
Again, I'll clear it up to be sure.
It's not my son?
Is it your car or your son's car?
No, it's my car.
Here, stay. Here, spread your legs. It could be. It's possible.
No, sir. It was. I don't even have a girlfriend.
All right.
I don't even have a girlfriend,
Here,
sir.
walk over here. Fair enough. I mean, here's the deal. Like when we run tags and they pop up with a warrant,
Sir,
it's always for the registered owner. That's all I'm saying.
It's my car. I'm Shawnton.
Okay. Here. Just have a seat. Wait a minute. Let me make sure your cuffs are double locked so they don't cinch up when you any.
Take my jacket off. I'm sweating right now.
Give me 1 second. I can't right now. Give me just 1 second, man.
Can you just put it down? I'm sweating. Look.
Yeah. Here. Lift your hands off your back. All right. I'm going to verify it. If it's no good, we'll get you out of here. Have a seat.
But why would it be good?
Again, it's to the registered owner, and it's male black. That's all I know at this point. All right? Let me check it. What's your first and last name?
Sean.
I'm sorry, your last name?
Sean.
Okay. All right. Watch yourself.
Address is going to be 623 South Harris.
I got you.
Is this what he bought?
No, that's just the plastic.
Oh, he already put it in his pocket?
He got gas.
Change for gas? All right. Yep, absolutely. Well, here's the deal, though. If it's not even for you, you Sean Middleton, what's your date of birth?
1974. I don't have no DVs. I don't even get in trouble, sir.
All right.
Like, I mean, I used to be in church back then, but no, sir, I don't have no DVs.
Yeah, I mean, it's popping up as your name, man. 2021, date of warrant. This is his car, this Nissan.
They say I got a domestic violence.
Anyone else saying?
I don't know. I think the cops just pulled me over and said I got a domestic violence. I don't even have
You want to get his phone off of him now? I just patted him down and threw him in there. Let me confirm it, man. All right.
Ma, they say that they're about to confirm. Can you check with me, Ma? Because they're about to.
It's dropped in July.
Take my phone. Take my phone.
Hey, so it's coming back that he has a
191 deletes.
domestic violence. So we're gonna. That's your.
My son's name is Sean Middleton too.
Standby.
Yeah, but what? So, and tell me this.
Is it my age? Because he has a DV out right now. Is it my age?
Yeah, I mean, unless your son has the exact same birthday, even the year as you,
No.
which that's not possible. What is the? What's your? Give me a second. What's your social? What?
Dude got a name.
Where do you live at?
1527 Road.
Yeah, that's the address for the warrant too.
Yeah. No, I have
The address.
What's your middle name?
Huh?
Middle name? Yeah. I don't know. They're verifying it now, man. All right.
Wait, who? I don't understand who I would have a domestic violence.
Well, here's the deal. I got to look it up. I got to read the report, and then I would Mirandize you and talk to you about it. All right. As soon as they verify the warrant, either if the warrant's verified, I'm going to take you out. I'll search you. I'll adjust the cuffs, and if it's not good, then I'll obviously just take them off. Look at a warrant on our computer. It's considered a possible warrant, and to verify a warrant, we have to call the clerk's office.
And see it's good.
Yeah, and they will go and pull the actual paper file to see if there's a warrant that's good or not. Because sometimes it shows it's good.
191, please be advised, it's still on hold with the clerk.
Copy, thank you, man. But sometimes it stays in our computer system when it's actually not a good warrant. So that's why they verify it by pulling the paper one. Hey CJ, you want to come around here just to witness this?
Oh, sir, I'm not gonna do anything funny. I'm not gonna try anything. You ain't gotta.
No. Just witness me reading your rights to you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, all right, Sean. So here's the deal. All right, I'm still waiting on them to verify the warrant, but it looks good in our system. So I'm just kind of getting the ball rolling on things, okay? And then if it's no good, cuffs come off and you're free to go. But either way, I'm just going to read you your rights. If you want to talk to me, you can. If you don't have to. I read the report.
In front of a judge, right?
What's that?
Right? Or do you? Or could y'all make a decision to help me now?
No, I can't make a decision, but I mean, I'm saying, but the warrant was filed. You weren't there. So it would complete the report to give your side. It's up to you. But let me just read this to you here real quick, all right? If you want to, you can read along. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you're unable to pay a lawyer will be appointed for you prior to any questioning, if you so desire. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
I got to ask you some of these basic questions. Just got to read them as they're written. You speak English?
Yes, I do.
Some of them are painfully obvious. Highest grade you completed?
I actually completed high school in end of year of college.
Okay. You can read and write?
Yes, sir.
Any hearing trouble?
No, sir.
Do you wear glasses or contacts?
Yes, sir. I wear glasses.
Glasses? All right. You consumed any alcohol within the last 24 hours?
No, sir.
Any drugs in the last 24 hours?
No, sir.
Okay. So here's where we are, all right? So reading the report, this is back. Go ahead.
Okay, that case number is going to be 9191 of 21.
Yeah, it's good.
It's for DV and assault, and it is going to be good, no bond. They're going to go ahead and send that paperwork down to the pipe.
You have to see a judge for them to set bond in domestic violence cases.
Sir, I'm so sorry for this, man.
It's all right, man. All right, give me 1 second.
So what we doing now?
I'm going to pull you out. I'm going to search you, and then I got to do a little bit of paperwork, and then we got to run you through ID into the jail. All right.
Okay. Could I call and see my baby mama come pick the car up?
Hey, with the warrant being good, we got to impound it. Anyone that gets arrested out of a vehicle, we got to impound. All right. Here, watch yourself for just a second. What are you trying to do, man? Huh?
I'm trying to stretch my arm back to the side because this cuff right here, I'm sitting on this cuff.
I'm going to adjust him right now, okay? Give me a second.
So much, please. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Never heard of it.
All right, go ahead and step out.
Oh, shit.
Here, step over here to your left. You ain't got anything on you, poke me or anything like that? Okay.
No, sir, you can definitely search.
All right.
Man, you do how much it costs to get your cars out of tows?
I don't, to be honest with you. I think it's somewhere in the realm of 1 to 150, but I'm not entirely sure.
Oh, my God.
100 personal cars all night. I'll out there.
All right, that bounced under the tire. I'll get it in a second. All right, lift your arms off your back just a little bit. You're good. All right, stand here, spread your legs for me. Right there, perfect.
Let me know when I have the first car with my please.
When you pull me up, I'm like, I got to run for no cops. I ain't got no warrants or nothing. Like, that's why I was like, I ain't got to run for no damn cops. That's why I pulled my ID and I turned around. Like, you see how I put my ID and I turned around like that?
Yeah, no, I mean, I agree with you. You seemed legit about it. I think you legit didn't know. No, you're good. Yeah. All right, man. So listen. What's that?
Nothing, sir.
It's a baggie. Is it weed?
Yes.
Listen, here's what we're going to do. Is it just weed?
Yes, sir.
Over here. I'm going to uncuff one hand if you want to take the weed out for me.
Okay.
All right? I mean, you don't have like a baggie of meth or something.
No, sir.
But it feels like weed. All right.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let you take that out. But listen to me, and this is real important. Is that all that's on you? Because when you go down to the jail for something as stupid as a bag of weed, they can turn that into a felony of the 3rd degree for conveyance of an illegal substance into a detention facility. Is there anything other than the weed?
Yes, I'm about to get it out right now. Here.
Okay. Is there anything else? Okay.
That's it.
That's it? Okay. All right, spread your legs one more time. I'm just going to check. That's the only thing that felt odd there. Okay.
Yeah,
All right, man. Here, let me adjust these cuffs for you.
Yeah, I was going
Some
to
light.
get a blunt in my coffee and go back home.
Some light.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. All right. So keep your palms facing together. Your palms facing together.
Like you're praying.
Yeah, that'll make it a lot more comfortable. But yeah, these need loosened up a little bit. You don't have to push them together. I just mean that if they're facing, it makes the cuffs more comfortable.
Got some nice binoculars in there.
Oh yeah, thanks.
How much those run you?
Actually, someone gave them to me. I went to somebody's house and they gave them to me. I had said, hey, them are some nice binoculars. And they was like, you like them? I was like, yeah. They said, you can have them. I was like, damn. I know. They came with a case and everything. They had a case and everything.
Hey, listen. All right, here's the deal, man. If it doesn't take, we can't wait here forever.
Right.
But do you think there's someone that could actually bring your girlfriend here to get your car?
What's that?
Huh?
Oh, no, I think you put something on my head. Yeah, I told you that I can call her and have her do that.
Does she have someone
Yes,
that'd be able to?
yes, her son.
Okay, so listen, does her son live with her there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, he does.
so it's something that we can wait like 15, 20 minutes for while I knock out the paper. But if they can't be here in that amount of time,
Call her real quick,
yeah,
sir,
yeah.
please.
Listen to me though.
Right now.
I'm just saying, there's a short window of time. You've been real cool with us, all right. So it's just as a favor to you, I'm willing to just release the car in lieu of impounding it if they can get here. But if they can't get here in a short amount of time, we got to impound it. Okay?
So can I call her right now?
Yeah.
Right now.
Is that your phone that was in the car?
Yes, yes, the one that you took.
I took one off of you.
Yeah, well,
and then there's
that
one up
one's not
front.
On that's
Okay.
not on. I just use that
Okay.
for my music. And
All right. Have a seat. Watch your head.
Oh, shit. Why's these right here? So you can't move.
What's that?
This right here. So you can't move it. So this.
It's just there's just not much room, man. Yeah, it sucks. All right. Give me just a minute, man.